Hello everyone, welcome. How to be a high value man and make more money is what I am discussing with you in this video today. How you can be a high value man and make more money. Many people want to make money, but they leave the issue and they leave the aspect of becoming high valued. When you become high value, then companies or individuals want to hire you or want you to work with them because there's a value that you are bringing to the table that you want to offer them. So here are some ways by which you can become a high value man, and being a high value man can make you more money. Number one way to become a high value man is your physical attractiveness. You have to work on your physical attractiveness. There are some people that need you to look good, or there are some jobs that need you to look good before you can be offered the job. You have to look the part to be the part. So how do you get your physical attractiveness? You dress fine, take your bath, use your roll-on, dress fine, and you smell good. Then you also need to work out, go to the gym, take care of your skin, and many more. Number two way to be a high value man is discipline. When you feel like not doing the right thing, that is the time to do it. I'm telling you, I'm recording this video and the time now is just a few minutes to 6 a.m. and this is a Sunday and everybody is sleeping, everybody is still dozing, still relaxing before waking up for church. But here am I. I don't feel like it. I feel like I should be on the bed, but I need to make this content and that's why I'm here. So discipline is something that will make you to be a high value man. Can you do what others don't want to do? Can you sacrifice the time, the attention and everything to learn and to know something that others do not know, or to do something that others do not do? That is exactly how you can become high valued. Number three way is that you have to make more money. To be a high valued man, you have to make more money. Have money work for you. Set big money goals. Start a business like YouTube, content creation, graphic design. Just start something big. Real estate. Start a business. Whether it's physical or it is virtual. Start a business and then make money. Start a business. I didn't say get a job. I didn't say go and work 9 to 5. I'm talking about a business. You can be working 9 to 5 and every day you are devoting 2 hours to your business. So start a business, and then when you start a business, you make more money, and that will make you to be a high valued man. Then number four way is that you need to take risk. Take the risk. Risk takers are people that are like you, but they took the risk. It is either they lose all or they get all. And most of the time, you think you lose all, you gain experience even if you lose. And with that experience, you can navigate another one that will work if the first one did not work or the second one did not work. You knew about Thomas Edison. He invented the light bulb, but he had many other inventions that you are not aware of. How did he do it? He kept taking risks and eventually he made it. He became a high valued man. Number five way to be a high valued man and make more money today is to take care of your mental health. Today, many people are having depression, are having all kinds of names that you can name any disease or any infection that are psychosomatic. So this is why you need to take care of your mental health. Take a walk daily, go on exercise, talk to people, socialize. Don't just be on your own. Have time for yourself, have time for your own time. At the same time, have time to reach out and see the outside world and see what others are saying and see what others are thinking. And take life easy. So you take care of your mental health. Life is not just about you and you alone. It goes beyond you and you alone. This is I'm going to draw the curtain on how to be a high value man and make more money today. I will talk to you in the next one. This is Dr. Olubenkade Titun TV. If you're a first timer here, please like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe, and drop your comment in the comment section below. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to go and see now.